Hi everyone, welcome to Rosie's Dessert Spot. Today I'll be demonstrating how to create a New Year's Eve worthy cake with a combed fault line effect and some of these beautiful glittered bowl toppers. You can find these and all the materials used in this tutorial at the My Dream Cake website listed in our bio. I'm starting off with a 5-inch cake that's already been stacked and crumb coated. Here we're creating a final layer of frosting in buttercream. This is a vegetable shortening based buttercream, so it's nice and white. We're going to fill in any pockets as we go and then remove that top lip. Pop it into the fridge to set for about 20 minutes, and then using a piping bag I'm going to create 2 to 3 rows of buttercream rings at the very top and at the very bottom. And then we'll take our frosting scraper and smooth that out. I'm not applying a whole lot of pressure here, I just want to smooth out the very surface before I go in with this comb that you might have seen in a previous tutorial. We used the striped side, but this time we're using the other side, the zigzag. I'm going to indent that pattern into the cake and then do one full rotation without stopping. Once I'm happy with that design, I'm going to remove that top lip of frosting. Into the fridge it goes again for another 20 minutes to an hour if you can. And then we're taking some edible gold luster dust that's been mixed with rosewater spirit to create a paint. And we're also doing the same with some silver luster dust and just painting in the very edge of our fault line. We're then going to take these edible glitters and really jazz this up. This is an airbrush gun that I have and I haven't added anything in it. It's just the air that I'm using to help push that dust onto the surface of the cake. This is how I like to get a nice dense coverage. From there we're going to take these glittered ball toppers and we're just going to arrange them on the cake. Notice how the ones in the middle are not being pressed all the way in. I'm leaving them a couple of centimeters raised from the top of the cake. This is what's going to give our topper a whole lot of volume at the very top. And then if you can see any spaces in between two of those sticks, add these tinier ones to cover that up. And there is our top. Now onto the side as well. I've got a couple happening on the left and a couple happening on the right. And this is sort of going to frame in the middle for our piping for the numbers 2024. To pipe on the numbers, I'm using the same buttercream and just holding my hand steady while drawing that on. Alternatively, you can use royal icing. You can color your buttercream and royal icing. Totally up to you. From here we're going to paint it in so it stands out a little bit more. I have that edible luster dust with rosewater spirit and we're just going to be painting that all over. And that is how you create a fun and easy New Year's Eve style cake using the glittered bowl toppers. I hope you guys enjoyed this tutorial and give it a go. Check out My Dream Cake for all the materials you need and more, and we'll catch you guys again in the next one.